In the mabl trainer, you can add a variety of test-generated variables. Starting in the trainer, click the Variable button at the bottom and select Create a Variable. You can now generate variables from string templates, element properties, JavaScript, mabl mailbox addresses, or data sources. To create a variable with a string template, select the String Template option. These are useful for creating strings from constant values, random values, variables, or mathematical expressions. You can use a variety of our variable syntax patterns to replicate alphanumeric strings or fake first or last name values. To create a variable from an element property, select the Element Property option from the dropdown. Select the mouse icon, then click an element on the page. You can now choose what element property to set the variable, such as inner text, class, or tag name, for example. To create variables from JavaScript, select the JavaScript option from the dropdown. Then open the code editor to write the JavaScript code. After you select Save, the value will be stored in a variable. To create variables from a mabl mailbox address, select the mabl mailbox address option from the dropdown, then provide a variable name, and that's it. You can then select Use an existing variable and add this as an input in your application. To create data-driven variables, we recommend starting with a data table in the Configuration tab, then toggle the Train with Data Table option in the New Test menu. You can now pre-fill the data-driven variables with the first row of the data table. You can add environmental variables that are shared across all tests within a specific environment by navigating to the configuration, then edit the environment and add environmental variables.